Alright, basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to just throw all the ingredients into a bowl and mix it up with some oil. So we got our potatoes, carrots. Now you can use carrots, you can peel them and all that, but I had baby carrots laying around, kind of inspired the whole idea. So I'm going to throw the oil into this next. And then our seasonings, we got our chili powder, got our thyme, got our cumin, fennel seeds. If you want to use fennel, you can dice that up just like we did the potatoes. And then we got our garlic here, and I kind of smashed it a little bit after I took the skin off. Then you're just going to get all that oil over everything. I'm not a big fan of seeing some of these videos where they just put it on a tray and then just drizzle the oil on there. I don't think that it gets everything. You want all your ingredients to have that oil on it because it keeps it from sticking. It helps transfer the flavor and the heat, and also adds texture to it. So let's get all that on there. Onto our sheet tray. Our oven has been preheated to 425. Let's put this in the oven for 45 minutes. I'll meet you back here. All right, there we go. Beautifully roasted vegetables.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping